to be right down here. Can you scoot over a little bit more?
Should we say Skola? 1, 2, 3,
So,
Show us your favorite spots.
So everyone's doing something that they love to do, and so it says something about him. I believe that's pizza, and he loves Halloween. This guy's fishing. Yeah.
Fire, and our fire unit was good. So this is our elements unit. So we started with fire, we're doing air right now, and then we're going to do earth and water. So earth will kind of coincide with Earth Day. Water will hopefully be once it gets a little warmer so we can play with water.
Here's the fire pit over here, and this is the mud kitchen. So that's where
Next year, we're trying to integrate the Arctic foxes more of this forest down here. So we're thinking of having 3-year-olds and the older 5-year-olds all kind of integrated together to do more of a mentorship leadership program.
Because we're... It is. But